Hi students, today we'll discuss about functions. Before going to functions, we have to discuss ordered pair. Now let us see what is ordered pair. Here pair means two elements. Now let us say small a belongs to set A, small b belongs to set B. Here set A contains the element small a, set B contains the element small b. Now here ordered pair means the curved bracket a comma b. Here a is known as first element or first coordinate or x coordinate, or we can say abscissa. Here b is known as second element or second coordinate or y coordinate or ordinate. So therefore the pair a comma b is known as ordered pair, where a belongs to capital A and b belongs to capital B. Now let us see what is Cartesian product. Here Cartesian product means, suppose if you take the set A contains 1, 2, 3, three elements, set B contains two elements A and B. Suppose one is mapping with A, B, 2 also A, B, 3 also A, B. That means the maximum possible ordered pairs from A to B is called a Cartesian product, or we can say the set of maximum possible ordered pairs from set A to B is called a Cartesian product, and a Cartesian product of A and B is denoted by A cross B, or we can say A by B. Here A by B is equal to set of first ordered pair, that is 1A, second ordered pair 1B, next 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. So these are the maximum possible ordered pairs. That means set of maximum possible ordered pairs is known as Cartesian product. Here we have the formula n of A cross B is equal to n of A into n of B. For example, n of A, number of elements in A is 3. n of B, number of elements in B is 2. That is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Here we have to get 6 ordered pairs. Now let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the maximum number of ordered pairs. So formula is n of A cross B is equal to n of A into n of B. Now let us see the example of B cross A. Here B cross A means B contains AB and A contains 1, 2, 3. So ordered pairs are A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. So here also maximum number of ordered pairs, that is n of B. How many elements in B? 2. n of A. How many elements in A? 3. 2 into 3, 6. Here also we have to get 6 ordered pairs, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means n of B cross A is equal to n of B into n of A. That means the number of ordered pairs in A cross B equal to B cross A, but not same ordered pairs. Now let us discuss what is relation. In the previous example, already we discussed about Cartesian product from A to B, that is A cross B is equal to set of ordered pairs 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma A, 3 comma B. So this is an example of Cartesian product A cross B. Now the relation means any subset of A cross B. Any subset of A cross B means we can take sum or all ordered pairs from A cross B. For example, let us say F. Here F is the symbol of relation is equal to set of, we can take 1 comma A, 2 comma B. Here we have to check out whether these ordered pairs are contains in A cross B or not. Now let us see, 1 comma A, it is there, 2 comma B also there. So this is example for relation. Now let us see relation G is equal to set of 1 comma B, 2 comma A, 3 comma B. That means 1 comma B, is it contains in A cross B? So it is there. 2 comma A also there. 3 comma B, yes. So it is a relation from A to B. And take another example, that is relation H is equal to 2 comma A, 3 comma C. Now let us see whether these ordered pairs are lies in A cross B or not. Here 2 comma A, so it contains in A cross B. 3 comma C, so it is not there. So it is not contains in A cross B. So this is not a relation from A to B. So these are the examples for relations. Now let us see what is domain and range. In a relation F and G, suppose if you take G, in G set of all first coordinates. What are the first coordinates? 1, 2, 3. The set of 1, 2, 3 is called a domain of relation G. Next, range of G. Range means set of all second coordinates. What are the second coordinates? B, A, B. So we can take A, even though it is 2 times, we take only 1 time. That is set of A comma B. Set of A comma B is called range of G. So in this way we can define domain and range for any type of relation.